The governor of Mandera County, Aden Khalif, was at pains on Friday to explain how the county utilized 449 million shillings from its emergency funds kitty. It has emerged that the county, whose expenditure is now in question, spent a whopping 55.9 million shillings on seedlings alone, an expenditure that left members of the Senate County Public Accounts Committee demanding for thorough audit of the county's spending. Gloria Milimu reports.
It's an emergency.
Friday, and Mandera County Governor Aden Khalif was put on the spot by the Senate County Public Accounts Committee over the expenditure of over 400 million shillings from the county's emergency fund kitty. Governor Khalif, who appeared before the Homa Bay Senator Kajwang-led committee, was put to task to explain its exorbitant expenditures that had been flagged by the Auditor General. According to the governor, 349 million shillings was spent on relief food during the drought period, with 32.2 million shillings spent on water tracking.
We did distribute about 16, we distributed relief food to about 16,000 households in November. That is about 16,000 households, translating to about 100 plus population.
The payments on emergency relief and refugee assistance include an amount of KSh 32,846,226 on water tracking and an amount of KSh 349,501,000 on survival and delivery of relief items for vulnerable members of the SAT.
One of the things that I'm wondering...
And as audit queries continue to arise, with the senators poking holes into the county's expenses, a 55.9 million shillings expenditure on seedlings was a cost that elicited sharp reaction from the committee.
You have also told us that 55.9 million was spent on seedlings in a county that has perennial drought situations.
What type of seedlings?
Can you give us the assurance that the 55.9 million worth of seedlings are traceable?
55.9 million can do around 55 ECD classrooms, or can do a number of water tracking in the area. So the question is as simple as this: can you attach the seedlings, the money to seedlings, and the seedlings to the farms?
Also, the governor was pressed to explain how the county spent 12 million shillings on cash transfers to vulnerable families. They now want a thorough audit of the kitty, even as the county maintains that the amount in question can be accounted for.
Ahead in this bulletin, we tell you about